all the beautiful people watching this video. I'm very glad to inform you that I will be back this Monday, January 23rd, with new video tutorials. I am going to be completing our pending CSS course, and get ready because I am preparing a JavaScript course, and it'll be 100% free here on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also make sure to hit that ring bell. That way you will get notified every time that I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram as AskLixi. I'm so excited and I can't wait to be back with all of you. See you soon!